Today was good. One of the best days I've had in a long time. I was watching the chat room a little bit better today, listening a little bit better, that sort of thing. Today I tried my 1 minute RSI strategy. Nothing was there. There just was nothing there. I didn't take it. Probably the best trade of the day I took was the one I didn't take. So, yeah, wasn't there. So my first trade was, let's pull it up. What am I doing wrong here? For some reason, I cannot pull that up. Okay. Alright, well, whatever. I don't know what my trades are here. Let me see if I can't find it. Screen recorder. DOS trader. My first trade was love. Oh, there we go. Okay, pop out. You know, some people don't share their P&L and their trade sizes, but, you know, I do. I really want... I mean, it gives people that suck like me hope. So, share it. There it is. Anyways, I'll go over what I did. LUV in the pre-market, if I can find what I did with LUV. Okay. LUV in the pre-market gapped way up here. It opened up at 53.77. And as you can see, it pumped up to 54.01. You know, whole number, 200-day moving average, airline stock. You know, what I saw on this was, you know, obviously this move right here, but then I saw this declining volume right here at the top. You know, at the open, there should be way more volume, right? Push it higher. So based on that information, I waited for a new 1 minute low. Went ahead, got in, said if it goes above 54, I'll exit. It did not. It immediately started to sell off. I was very happy. I took profit here. It got down to close to this moving average right here, and I went ahead and sold off. Then, you know, it pulled back to VWAP. What the hell did I do? Oh, I went short, went to VWAP, I got out, I didn't like it, then I saw it selling off again. Again, not a lot of volume on the move up. You see what I mean? Not a lot of volume right here. So I sell it, I see it sell off again, I go ahead and go low, and I gave it, you know, this was 500 shares, and then this was 500 shares. So, you know, I said if it broke this moving average right here, which I believe is the 9, that would be my signal for out. And it didn't. You know, I held through this pullback. Even here, this was a quick spike, otherwise I would have got out. And then it started selling off, and, you know, I sold down. Then, you know, we're looking at, you know, later on in the day, I mean, it's getting kind of late, it starts selling up. So I waited for a double top at 54, you know, back to the daily chart again, 54, moving average, big deal. I saw that it double topped here on the 5. I also saw that this wasn't, you know, I switched to MACD at that point. I saw that MACD was slowing down and that we weren't having a moving average cross. I saw this round over right here, starting to lose a little bit of momentum. So those, based on those indicators and the fact that, you know, we had just lost the 9 EMA, which is this black line on the 1 minute, and that we failed to make a new 5 minute high, I went ahead and took a short position, 500 shares. It sold down quickly. I took profit. My target was VWAP, but I'm going to take it at moving averages too. It came back up, sold down again. I took my profit. Yeah, I didn't expect it to go down here. That's fine. The key here was I waited for the double top. I waited for this double top. This was a big factor for me. So, did that. My last trade was TAL. I heard from the chat room. TAL, for me, sold off pretty hard here. It got down to what I thought was this level, and then it's also close to a whole number, 29. You know, it's a little scary that it was, you know, in the middle of these moving averages, but pretty big sell-off. And at that time, the RSIs were pretty low. I started watching right here, and I see the momentum slowing down. Then you had this moving average cross right here, yet it was still selling down, but yet we have a little bit of momentum to the upside. So right there, I see it climbing up. I have a 2 candle rule. I went ahead and bought in 1,000 shares. My stop loss was just below 29, below this candle. So willing to risk, I think it was 238 or 29.38. Willing to risk the 10 cents to get the 50 cents or the 20 cents or whatever. So went ahead, hopped in. It didn't pull back. I sold at the moving average and sold again on the pop, and then I just kind of held it, popped again, sold. And as you can see, this was a key level on the 1 minute chart. Through some huge volume, probably it's gonna sell off. Probably not. Who the heck knows? This is becoming a weird intraday candle. So I'm done. Really good trade. Plan was to trade at extremes, 200-day moving averages, things like that, and that went extremely well today. So I have some of my live trades as well that I'll review. Anyways. Where the heck is my screen? Need the screen recorder.